Hello guys, how are you doing today? We are going to do something fun. We're going to make some private school amapiano loops. Yes, so we can talk about how some good techniques you can use to make some private school amapiano loops, because we all like amapiano and we all like private school and we all like making things. So if you come this far, please like the video. If you like the video, it helps me out a lot. It helps the video get to people who need the video the most, and it also helps the channel, it goes a long way. And if you really like the content, just subscribe. I'm happy for you to be here, and you never know, I might just make something that may be of value to yourself. So I'm gonna get right into it. I don't normally have a kick, but I have a kick just to guide me. So this, let me just check, make sure it's fine. We're gonna work on the playlist today. And don't be afraid to use textures as well. The textures just help to give different characteristics to your loops. Let's see how this sounds. And then from this point, you wanna just keep it simple. So I'll just level out my sounds. Level out the sounds to a level that I like. So I'll get the kick out. The most important thing here, I'll start with my temp. The temp hat here. I think I'm missing something. Oh yes. Audio. I'll put a drum mix here. Talk it to the left. So now I'm gonna link all the sounds here. Like for example, these ones were by themselves. Not the kick. I don't want to put the kick. No, put the clap. Put them all in the drum mix. Quick reverb send over there. Pop it to the left. Yeah, just keep it simple and you can make some really nice sounds by just tweaking them. Yeah, and you can mix your loops. Just want to mix your loops like it's a song and keep it simple. I used to think that I needed to use compressors, not necessarily. If everything is clean, you don't really need to use compressors. If you feel like it makes you sound better, then I'm all for it. I say go for it. I will save them and send them to you. So if you found this helpful, guys, drop me a like. It really helps get the video to good places, you know, and as well like just being able to help other people, and as well keeps everything different and helps me to work even harder to give you guys more valuable information. So I'll make a zip folder for you to download any of these things. You can even have the project if you want it. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.